had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another Decorate With Me video. I'm taking my blush pink guest bedroom and giving it a glam makeover. I hope you enjoy.
Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to?
So this is the current look of my guest bedroom, and I absolutely love it guys. It's been like this for quite some time, but after I recently seen a brand new mirror that Spotlight had released, I decided to give this room a little makeover with some decorative touches. Now Spotlight just released this beautiful gold ornate mirror. I was so in love with it guys, and it was on sale, so I headed into my local Spotlight to see if they had some in stock. Now, whilst I'm in store, I absolutely love checking out their new range of decor, and everything on this particular day was on sale. Now, for my overseas friends, Spotlight here in Australia is a little bit like Hobby Lobby. We sell fabric, we sell window treatments, and there's always a beautiful range of home decor that I really love to look at.
And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. Stop looking at ya, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid.
So I finally came across the beautiful ornate mirrors. These are the black ones, but I actually purchased the gold, and I absolutely love how they look.
You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark.
These mirrors were such an affordable price, guys, and I knew that by adding some touches of gold throughout my pink bedroom, they would go perfect in that room. I started to shop my own home for decorative pieces to go with the mirrors before I place them in the bedroom. Guys, I absolutely love the colour baby blue, but my favourite colour of all time would definitely be blush pink. And I love decorating and making flower arrangements in this colour for my guest bedroom. So now back in the guest bedroom, I'm going to start on my side tables and take off all the decor and give it a very good clean down.
Reacting way too much until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine. Safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days, now that we see.
So I took down the existing artwork above the bed and I brought in those beautiful gold mirrors.
Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine. Safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide.
Now I was really loving how they looked in the room, guys. I really love the gold touches here. I think gold brings a very, very glam factor into a room.
It's perfect, but we are perfect together.
Now I have this white mirror in the corner of the room and I wanted to swap it out with my gold mirror that I swapped out from my beauty room.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like...
Continuing on, I wanted to add some extra sparkle. Now I have this glitter canvas, guys, from TK Maxx in another room. So I shopped my own home and brought it into this room. I want to use it as a backdrop for the beautiful black floral art.
Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything new.
I then wanted to start by taking out some of this vintage art and replacing it with a beautiful gold frame vintage print that I got from TK Maxx.
Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar. Yeah, you know I can't live without you.
At the bottom I have a little ottoman and I bought in that beautiful glam glitter flower arrangement.
Let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's
just took out my pink breakfast cushion and swapped it for this beautiful black one, which is from Early Settler.
Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
Now at the end of the bed, I just styled some glam coffee table books with some adorable glam decor.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. I've got something on my mind. Let's talk about love. Like you and me all night. And let's talk about love.
Now on the opposite wall, I have this rustic shutter, and I love to decorate it with some glam touches.
Everything you'll ever need, so let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
I don't know, it's hard to say. Desperate causes anyway. Do this mean we'll go to war? I don't know what I'm looking for, but I'd like to know that soon. In this time of yellow full moon, everything that is to know, fireworks and even the smallest show. Sometimes you wanna raise your walls to a higher point, but you don't have to tell me anymore. But I'd like to know that soon. In this time of yellow full moon,
I'm truly in love how my glam bedroom makeover came.
feed your soul.
Just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to use the existing decor and add a few gold touches, and I really love how it elevated the room.
Give love for me a chance. Let the beating of your heart lead into mine.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
So come on and hide your sorrow, feed your soul. Let it be the hardest thing to find, and set your.
Don't forget that my new schedule is twice a week. I upload every Wednesday and every Friday at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
Your heart lead into mine.
So I really appreciate you watching, guys, and I'll see you on Friday for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home.